Today we'll be talking about market structure. All right, market structure. A lot of people who are trading do not know anything about market structure, and you want to know how the market moves for you to become a profitable forex trader. Okay, but if this is the first time you are joining us on our Sunday training, please type in one in the chat. I want to know those who are joining us for the first time. If today is the first time you are joining us on our Sunday training, please type in one in the chat. Quickly, guys. If you are joining us on our Sunday training for the first time, type in one in the chat. Okay. Who else is joining us for the first time? Ovejiro, thank you. You're welcome. Okay, you're welcome. Our Sunday training is tailored to to unveil and review what is possible in the forex markets to whoever come on board. All right, so this is where you learn a lot of things every Sunday, and we do not charge you neither anybody for this. All right, so you want to tune in. You want to tune in every Sunday. Actually, the training is 5 p.m. Nigerian time, 5 p.m. Nigerian time, 4 p.m. Ghana time. But because of an appointment, it was postponed till this time. Okay, so you want to have 5 p.m. Nigerian time, 4 p.m. Ghana time at the back of your mind. So you will be here every Sunday to learn something really, really new. Okay, so you are welcome to King FX Trading Mastery. Okay, so quickly, let me tell you guys about myself. My name is Abolade Adekola, aka the Kingmaker. Okay, I'm the founder and CEO of King FX Trading Mastery. I'm a trader, I'm a coach, and I'm a professional trader. I've been trading for 5 years and 9 months. Okay, and I became profitable. I became a profitable trader 2 years after I started trading. Okay, but uh, to the glory of God, everything keeps rolling after 2 years of my stay in the business. Okay, so I've mentored and coached quite a number of people, both online and one-on-one. So that is just a brief introduction about me. So guys, you are welcome on board. So let's get started. Today we'll be talking about market structure and market characteristics. Okay, if you really know how the market moves based on the structure, trust me guys, very soon you'll become a profitable trader. And it is a must, I say it again, if you really want to become a profitable trader, it is important for you to learn how the market moves, which is the market structure. All right, and the characteristics that I have added to it, a lot of people don't call it characteristics, but for me, I call it characteristics of the market. Okay, this is how market behaves. Now, how do you know how market moves? How do you know the characteristics of the market? I'm going to share a few informations with you guys today. First of all, market structure, it is important for you to know that market moves in waves. All right, it is important for you to know that market moves in waves, which means it is not possible for market to continue moving in one direction forever. It is not possible for market to continue moving in a direction forever. So it moves in waves, just like a river. Market moves just like a river that goes uh, to one direction, then later reverse from that direction to the other direction. Hope you are following. So that is how market moves. Okay, so it moves in waves. So when it goes up, you definitely want to see it come down. All right, When it goes up, you definitely want to see it come down. So the moves, these moves right here that you're looking at is called the wave. Okay, the move that you're seeing right there is called the wave. So the next thing you want to see once market moves up and comes back down a little bit, the next thing you want to see is another move. Okay, for the fact that market cannot move in a very straight direction this way, it cannot move this way. Okay, so you want to see it moving in a zigzag form, but heading towards a direction. I hope this is clear, guys. Now, part of the characteristics of the market is that when a level gets broken, it's a clear confirmation to a trader who knows how to read the market structure. It's a clear confirmation that market is heading in a particular direction after a level gets broken. I will come back to that area very soon. Now, look at this, guys. Let's, for example, I am on H1 time frame, which is 1 hour, 1 hour time frame. Now, look at this. This is a move. Let's use this move first. I'll come back to that area. I just want to quickly analyze something right there so that you can understand how the market moves better. Now, look at this move. For you to get this move is on 1 hour, right? Now, on this move, when you switch back to 15 minutes, you will see something like this. Something like this. Okay? You will see something like this. A move like this. You will see a move like this. But all this, you can find it in lower time frame. But this is a complete move in 1 hour that looks like a very straight line. Okay, but when you break it down to 15 minutes, which is smaller, you will definitely see something like this. It will give you a move, a structure like this in 15 minutes. I hope that is clear, guys. Now, let's go back to what I'm talking about. Look at this. This is a move, like I said, and a retracement. So a retracement is like when you breathe in. Okay, let's, for example, this is a move up. This one right there is a move up. It's like when you and I, we breathe out. Okay, we breathe out carbon dioxide. You know, it is not possible for us, for human, let me put it that way, it is not possible for human to breathe out forever. It is not possible for human to breathe out forever. And the same thing goes with the market. So when the market is going in one direction, it's like it's breathing out. It's breathing out, okay? So when it breathes out to a level, it gets exhausted. So the next thing that will happen is for market to breathe in. Okay, it's for a market to breathe in. So the process of breathing in is when market is pulling back. Okay, pulling back, trying to breathe in an oxygen to have more power to breathe out again. I hope this is clear. So this pullback to me is considered breathing in for the market. Okay, to gather momentum for another breathing out process. I hope this is clear. If you are with me on the same page and you're following me, please type in 3 in the chat. If you are following what I'm sharing with you, please type in 333 in the chat. I want to know those who are following. If you are following and you're with me, type in 333 in the chat. Got 4 responses. We are 12 on the call. Okay. Like I do say, many people are called, few are choosing. Okay, many people are called, few are choosing. We have over 400 people on our Telegram group. Okay, and we have three WhatsApp group. Okay, so putting everything together, we have over 600 or 700 people on all the groups, but only few of us are here today. So this is the seal. The seal you have to be successful only gives you the opportunity to be successful. If you do not have the seal to be successful, you can't be successful. And one of the seal is to commit your time, resources, and all of that, and promise yourself that I'm going to be successful. So if you do not have all of that, it's going to be zero. Okay, you being on this call shows that you are really, really ready to learn and you want to be successful. And I can tell you, with my based on my years of experience, if you do not quit, guys, if you have been trading before and you're not making profit, do not quit. Do not quit. You will eventually start making that money sooner or later, but do not quit. That is my word of advice for you. I traded for 2 years without making money, and I keep losing money week in, week out for about 2 years before I later got it right. But to the glory of God today. Okay, so enough of that. Let's go back. But do not quit. That is my advice for you. So guys, so when market breathes in, it has the power to breathe out again, which means it gathered momentum to breathe out again. Now, this is the structure. We have a breathe out, which is an impulse leg, okay, a move up, then a retracement. The next thing that happens is another move. For a complete market structure to happen, you want to see a level get broken. And where is the level? Where is the level? This area, this place is the level. So you want to see the next move, okay, the next impulse move to get this place broken, okay, to get this place broken. So that is when you can confirm that, okay, that is a structure is in place. So you want to see a structure being broken. When you see a structure being broken, this confirms the break of this structure, confirms to you and I that market is truly going up. It's going to continue going up. Then the next thing you want to see right after that is another breath in, which is a retracement. Okay, which is a retracement. All right, either back to the support area, which is this level that got broken, or below it a little bit. So this is how market structure works. This is how it looks like, and this is what a trader who really wants to be successful needs to learn. So I decided to put this together so you can understand this, guys. So now the next thing is that as you see this move down, okay, which is considered as breathe in, okay. Now the next thing you want to see is that you want to see another move to the upside, okay. Now it is when this structure, this area get broken, by another impulsive move, that is when you want to confirm that the uptrend is still going to continue, which means market is still moving to the upside. I hope this is making sense, guys. I hope this is clear, guys. Now look at, so now, and another thing you want to put in your mind is that market is like the head, okay, head as in the word that moves in 360-degree. When it goes up, it goes down again. So market moves interwoven like the way the world map moves. Okay, let me put it that way. You and I know how the world map moves. When it rolls, it comes back to the same direction, and it goes back to when it was coming from. So that is how the market moves. So when you are able to understand how the market moves, then you will definitely be making money. Now look at this structure. This is a good structure telling us that market is going up. Now, how do you identify this structure? This structure is known as, for an uptrend, this is known as, uh, sorry guys, this area is known as higher high, higher high, and this low is known as higher low. Okay, so another higher high right here, another higher low here. Okay guys, this is another higher high. So that is how you identify an uptrend. So when you see a structure, a level get broken, it's an indication to you and I the market is going up. Now, when you see another, this level get broken, it's an indication that market is going up. So you want to understand a structure like this. You want to understand this type of structure for you to become profitable in the market. Trust me, I am sharing the real information with you. And this is one of the paid uh, this is one of the information you get in any paid lecture around the globe. So I'm sharing it for you guys free of charge. So guys, so that is for an uptrend. So for a downtrend, you want to see something like this, okay? A break in, which indicates a downtrend. Then the next thing, retracement, okay, which is breathed in. Okay, this is considered breathed out. This is considered breathed in. Then the next thing you want to see is another breathed out. So when you this level get broken, this is a pure indication to you and I that market is truly going down. Now, how do you buy with this? I will come back to that. So the next thing you want to see is another level, okay, another move up, waiting to give you another move down. Now, where do we buy? Where do we sell? You and I. Look at this level. This is the area where you and I will buy. You don't want to buy here. You don't want to buy here. This is where you will buy. This is where you will buy. You buy at the low, okay? Hoping to catch the move to the upside. Now, for the sell side, this is regarded as lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is a lower low, okay, lower high. When you have lower low, you want to have another lower high. This is a lower low, This is another lower high. All right, guys. So that is how to identify uh, a structure. All right. So for this lower low, this is for the sell side. You only want to go in for a sell when the retracements happen, because this move is a retracement. So you want to sell at the high right here. You want to sell at this level. I hope this is clear, guys. So let me show you the chart live so you can understand what I'm talking about. So this is just a diagram so that you know how market moves. Okay, our Sunday training is capped 1 hour, okay, for each section. It's capped 1 hour for each section. So we still have 30 minutes plus to spend. So I'm going to share a lot of information with you guys. Now, guys, look at this level. This is it, guys. Look at this move to the upside. Okay, this is considered an impulse leg, okay, like a breath out. All right, now we have another move right here. Okay, so let's even use this bigger one, okay, so that it can be clear to those who are new. Look at this move right here. Okay, this is considered a breath out. Now another move right here, okay, telling us that market is breathing in. So when market is breathing in, it slows down. All right, now when you see another move to the upside, you want to confirm this is an uptrend. When this place gets broken, this area, when it gets broken, that is when you want to confirm that it's truly an uptrend. When this place gets broken, and by the virtue of this move, you and I can see and confirm that this place, this structure has been broken. So the next thing you want to do is that you want to wait for market to breathe in again, which is a pullback. You want to wait for market to breathe in again before you catch the move to the upside. Now, how do you know where to enter this trade exactly? This is where a lot of people are facing challenge. Okay, how do you know where to enter? You may use Fibonacci. Okay, I think I've talked about Fibonacci. You may check our YouTube channel to look for how to use Fibonacci, which is 61.8%. So you may use Fibonacci, okay, to catch 61.8% move, all right? Or better still, you may use something that is called Confluence Trading. Confluence Trading. Confluence Trading is that you may use your trend line, okay, by joining the two lows together. So you want to wait for market to come to the trend line. Look at this, guys. You can see we have a move up, and when we have the breath in, you can see market came back to the trend line. So you may look for your buying opportunity when market comes back into the trend line. I hope this is making some sense, guys. I hope this is making some sense. So now look at this, guys. Right after this move, it gave a good move to the upside. Okay, so by the virtue of this place getting broken, it has confirmed to us that market is still going up. Now this is another secret, guys. When you draw your trend line into the future, the moment the trend line got broken, then it's a clear indication that market has changed direction. This is one of the best things you want to learn to be successful in this business. Okay, but a lot of challenges is that many people do not know how to draw the trend line, probably because they are new. They cannot easily recognize the structure. That is not a crime. The process it's a gradual something, guys. So if you can't really recognize it now, just keep practicing. Over time, you will understand and you will learn and perfect it. Okay, I do not learn it in one day. What took me 5 years and 9 months now, it's not a child play. So you want to take your time to learn it. So for those who cannot easily understand how to draw trend line or structure, we have a strategy that can help you, okay, with an indicator which can tell you the trend and all of that. And the strategy is really, really powerful. The strategy is called the uh, king strategy. Okay, we have the analysis on YouTube, so you can go on YouTube, you can learn on the strategy. Okay, and we have the weekly outlook of the strategy every week. So, and we have started that about 3 weeks now, I think 2 or 3 weeks now. And in the last 2 weeks, this has given a lot of people money. So you don't want to be left out. If you are a newbie, you can start using this strategy. Just make sure you learn it, start using the strategy, and it will at least it give you nothing less than 15% profit every week, nothing less than. And if you are able to even bank 5% profit in a week or 10%, you have made more than enough, because no bank can give you something like that. Okay, but if you can pay more attention, you can get more than that. I use the strategy day in, day out, and a lot of our students are using it as well. So the analysis is there to help you guys know which pair to focus on. And this has really, really been helpful a lot in the last 2 weeks. So you want to try and go to our YouTube channel, look for something like that. Okay, and follow the analysis every week. We do it during the week and during the weekend. So the one for weekend is already out, so you can go and check it. So back to our training. So look at, so the more you want to draw, once you connect the 2 or 3 lows together, as your open market to come down into the trend line. Okay, so you can see right around this place, market dropped again to the trend line. Now you can see, if you have taken a buy around this place, then it should have given you some profit before markets came back down and get this place broken. So invariably, when you see the trend line got broken, then that is a clear direction that a clear indication that direction has changed. Market has changed direction, so it's probably going to come back. It's going to go back to where the trend originated from. Okay, so when you see market moves up to a certain level, take note. Like for example, this trend started from this place. Okay, it started from this place. I'm going to show you something that's really, really powerful. It started from this place, for example, right? Now you can see it went up as high as this level. All right, now as the trend started from this place, no matter how far the trend is going to go, it's still going to come back to this place, whether market like it or not. That is how forex market is designed. If somebody says they did not design this thing, it's a lie, because it moves in 360 degree. It moves interwoven. So when you know how it moves, you will be able to siphon cash from this multi-billion dollars market day in, day out. Okay, guys. Now, the trend started from this place. You can see it went as high as this place. Now, you can see market came back to the same area. Whether it's like it or not, it will come back. Even if it's going to take 1 year, it's going to come back to that place. Even if it's going to take 1 year, market is going to come back to this place. I hope this is making some sense to you guys. So if this is making some sense to you guys, type in 2 in the chat. Okay, the same thing goes to our daily candles. Let's check this area. There's a trend that started around this area. Look at this, guys, around this area. Now let's check it out. If market has not gotten to that place, it's going to get there. You can see. Can you see market is about to get to the same area? So that is how it is designed. But a lot of people do not know this, and a lot of people are they are not learning it the way it should be learned. That is one of the problem. Okay, you can see this move started from this place, and market, no matter how far it's going to go, it's going to come back to this area. Even if it's on 1 hour, on daily, on weekly, it's going to come back to that area. It's just a matter of time. Now market is on its way down to the same area, and it's going to touch it. If at all it's going to continue going up, it's going to touch it. And if there is another move, another, okay, this, there is another one right here, trust me, market is still going to come to this area. It's just a matter of time. It's still going to come to this low. Okay, it's just a matter of time. Then you may see a move up, then another move down to touch this area, guys. Okay, so I hope this is making some sense to you guys. I'm not here to bore you, but to share the right information with you. This is one of the best information you may get. All right, now let's, I hope the upside information is very, very clear to you guys. It's like I have two people in the class who are really, really gaining value. We are 9 in class right now. So, and I believe everybody should type in something in the chat. If you have gained some value with what I'm sharing with you, please type in 2 in the chat. If you are gaining some value with what I'm sharing with you, type in 2 in the chat. Okay, thank you so much. So happy you guys are gaining value. All right, now let's look for the sell side before I review few of the characteristics to you. Okay, so one of the characteristics is what I have shared with you. When price moves to a direction from it moves from an origin, it's still going to come back to that origin. So that is one of the characteristics. Okay, so this is one of the structures of the market, and this happens on shares, it happens on crypto, it happens on anything that has charts like this. Any market that has chart like this, it happens. So one of the characteristics you want to learn today, one of your take-home characteristics is that when market moves from a place, market is going to come back to that place. It's just a matter of time. All right. So now let's look for the sell side. Let me clear all these things, guys. And now before I clean this, look at this structure very well. Look at this structure very well. Does it look like this? Does it look like this? Like what I drew here? Look at this, guys. Look at it very well. Do they look alike? Guys, if they look alike, putting something in the chat, I want to be sure. Do they look alike? This one and this one, do they look alike? Okay, but obviously you don't want to expect it to be more perfect. Okay, it can be more perfect, but you just want to recognize it. Okay, once you are able to recognize how market moves, which is the structure, forget about it. Very soon you are going to start making money. You don't even need anybody to start telling you to sell or to buy. That is what you want to know. And another thing is that, guys, make sure you become an independent trader. An independent trader is that you don't depend on anybody before you can make money. Yes, Bartholomew, you are very right. The structure is the same. It's the same. But that is what you want to learn. Now let's look for the sell side. Let me clear this, guys. I do tell all our students, learn the structure and make the money. Learn the structure and make the money. All right. So now look at this, guys. Let me try to remove all these things one after the other so that I don't clean the diagram. Okay, so let's look for the sell side. Okay, look at this, guys. When you see a move to the downside, which this is considered as a breathing. Okay, I think we have one here. This is another one. Okay, this is considered breathe in. All right, I hope this is making some sense to you guys. This is another breathe out. Now, the structure here is that when you see the low, the last low being broken, then this is a clear confirmation that market is heading down. Okay, there is nothing anybody is going to do to this. When the low gets broken, market is coming down. This is the low and it got broken. It's an indication that market is coming down. Now look at this one right here is considered breathe out. Now this is another breathe in. Okay, it cannot breathe in forever. It will definitely breathe out. So during the process of breathe in, market slows down. It slows down, trying to gather momentum for the next move. Now this is the next move. You can see when the moves happen, it gets the low broken. So once this low get broken, this is another confirmation to us that market is still going down. That is what you want to see, guys, in the market. Now, how do you take your trade with it? Once you have this level and this level, okay, once market gives you this and this, which you have the first breathe in, which is this leg, then you want to draw your trend line, okay, join these two areas from here to this place and draw it into the future. Draw it to the future, connecting two areas together. You have connected this one and this one together. Assuming this one has not happened, okay, let's assume this one has not happened. So you are expecting this breathe in to go back into the trend line, to touch the trend line. At the moment it touches the trend line, you want to take your sell trade. Okay, you want to catch the next move of breathe out, which is this. I hope this is making some sense, guys. Now look at the moment this place got broken, it's an indication that market is still going down. So you wait for the next breathe in, which is this. You can see back to the trend line. Once it comes back to the trend line, catch the next move down. Okay, catch the next move down. You can see, guys, this is how it happens. You can see this level has been broken. All right, it has been broken, but market refused to continue going down. After it gives you it gave us another breathe in. Okay, now this is how markets change direction. You can see this level right here got broken by this level. Okay, now it gave us another breathe in, but the breathe in, when we have another breathe out, the breathe out could not come and break this level. This breathe out could not come and break this level. So this is an indication to us that market is changing direction. Now you can see we have the trend line. Once market comes and break the trend line to the upside, that is a clear indication that market has changed direction. Does this make sense to you guys? If you are learning something, type in "I'm learning" in the chat. If you are learning something new or you are learning, just type in "I'm learning" in the chat. So I do tell all our students, learn this and make money. Although we do take more time to explain a lot on this with our paid students, okay, because we only have 1 hour or 1 hour 10 minutes to give Sunday's training. So the time may not be enough to give complete training, but we normally share vital information on what exactly you need to do. We don't hide the main cocoa. We don't hide it, okay? It's just that we have more time to explain better with our paid students, all right? So, and you have the ability to learn everything in one place, okay? Because we take Sunday's training as random subjects, okay? We may have something really, really different in the next 5 weeks or thereabouts, all right? So This is how you make money. This is how you recognize the structure in the forex market. Somebody said no audio. Someone should please assist this person that says no audio. You need to log out. No audio. Log out and log back in and select all over internet. Okay. So if you have been using Zoom call before, then you will know what to do. Okay, but somebody can please type in and help this person so he can also take part. Okay, so guys, I hope this is clear. So this is how you recognize the market structure. All right. Now, the trend started from this place. It started from this place. One of the characteristics, market is still going to come into this place. If it is not there already, if it's going to come, let's check. Okay, it's not yet there, but market is still going to come to this area in the near future. It may take 1 week, it may take 2 weeks, it may take 1 month, it may take 6 months, but trust me, market is going to come into this area. So that is how you make money in the market. I do tell our students, if you undergo our paid you undergo the series of our training and you undergo our mentorship, after the mentorship, if you are not making money, then I will need to re-examine you, because you'll be taught exactly what you need to do, which is part of what I'm sharing with you guys today. Guys, learn this and be making money. It does not really matter you have to pay all the time. That is why we have the paid the free training. Learn this and make money. Market structure is the ultimate. So now another thing is that when you are about, another one of the characteristics of the market is that when market is about to change direction, you will see a chart pattern. There will always be the presence of a chart pattern, either double top or double bottom. Okay, in the case of uptrend to a downtrend, you will either see double top or triple top or head and shoulder or ascending channel, or you see triangle. So these are the characteristics of the market. When market is about to change direction around this area, you can, when we zoom in to the smaller time frame, you will see a structure around this area. Where is my box? Let me if I should zoom in on this area, you will see a descending channel telling us that market is about to go up. On this box, when I go to like 15 minutes, we will see a descending channel. So when you see a channel, it tells us that market is ready to go, it's ready to reverse, it's ready to change direction. Okay, in the case of downtrend to an uptrend, you will see a descending channel. Okay, descending channel is when you have something like this. When you have something like this, okay, I hope this is clear, guys. Now let's quickly check this area. Let's see what we have right there. Let's go. We still have some minutes. Let me go to 5 minutes so we can see it clearly. Okay, let's see. The goal is to make you understand every bit of information I'm going to share with you. Okay, it's not about paid service all the time. Now look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a channel. This is a channel. Look at this. This is a channel. For those of you who do not know, this is a channel. So whenever you are about to see a change of direction, you will see a channel. Okay, you will see a channel or double bottom. or inverse head and shoulder. Either of the three, one will appear. So this will tell you this is what is going to happen next. So that's one of that. These are the characteristics of the market. When you learn all these things put together, this is a powerful information I'm sharing with you guys. When you learn all these things put together, trust me, you don't even need to learn any other thing. Forex is very, very wide, right? But when you put what I'm sharing with you today, when you put it together, you will make money. You will make money. And for those of you who have the mindset that forex is hard, please erase that thought from your mind. Forex is not hard. It is the way you take it. It is not hard to learn. It is the way you take it. If you say it's hard, it's hard. If you say it's not hard, it's not hard. You just need to learn the process, know how it works. That is it. Then you keep making your money. But when a lot of people explain, they explain in a way that you just feel like, will I ever know this? Of course, if I can know it and master it and make money in the market, every other person can know it. In fact, I really celebrate those of you on this call today. Okay, please celebrate yourself by putting 777 in the chat. Celebrate yourself by putting 777 in the chat. Sometimes I may be, I may be aggressive and not put some training on YouTube, because those of you who are here to learn, you are not a fool. This is just the commitment to be successful, and you are meant to be successful. All right. The information you will get when you attend live class is quite different from when you watch video. Trust me, I'm telling you this, guys. It's quite different from when you watch video. You can only watch video to refresh your memory, but live class is very, very paramount. I don't joke with it. I have been in several trainings that what they are teaching in that training I already know. But I just want to listen. Let me listen to this person with my heart to my knowledge. That is how you learn. But a lot of people do not want to sacrifice. Okay, guys. So look at this on 5 minutes time frame. It will definitely give you a kind of structure, okay, which is one of the characteristics of the market. Thank you so much, Mr. Bartolomeo. Yes, this is one of the person who can testify to what is happening already. So one of the characteristics of the market is that when market is about to change direction, it will give you a set of pattern, okay? And from a downtrend to an uptrend, you will see this descending channel, a channel dropping like this, or you will see double bottom. If you do not see double bottom, you will see inverse head and shoulder. And as a matter of time, sometimes you will see everything when on the same spot. It depends on how you are able to train your eyes. But all of these things, you need to train your eyes. It cannot happen in 1 month. Trust me, it cannot happen in 2 weeks. It cannot happen in, the minimum will be 3 months. If you are a guru, you are good in learning. The minimum is 3 months. It cannot happen in 1 month. Like, if you are very fast in learning, if you are a guru, your brain is very, very sharp. It will take you 3 months. But trust me, you want to spend at least few months to learn and master this and to train your eyes. So you just need to train your eyes. Even sometimes when you don't draw all these things, you know what is happening. When you just take a look at the market without drawing, it's because you have been able to master it. Most of the time when I don't draw, I just look at the market. Okay, I know where market is, what is going to happen. But just for the sake of to confirm what I'm seeing, I draw it. I hope this is making some sense, guys. Okay, so I'm so happy to have you guys on this call this evening. This video we put on YouTube for you guys. So if you have not joined our YouTube channel, please make sure you join our. Let me look for the YouTube